this reading, we will going to have love reading situation and message from your person. Let's see the love situation first. Let's see the energy first. Ayan. Oh. Okay. I hear, my loves, meron ditong love affair. Meron ka na involvan, or sabihin natin, in this love connection na meron ka sa person na to, merong involved na love affair. Kasi, eto, confirmation, it's either you or your person involved in love affair na nag-cause sa'yo ng sobrang pain. Kung wala pa to, my loves, pwedeng ito yung sabihin nating kahinatnan ng love life, ng takbo ng love life mo. Kasi meron ditong dirty little secret, my loves. Mayroong hindi mo pa alam right now. And if ever na malaman mo yun, magkokosto ng lots of, sabihin natin, pain sa'yo. Lots of waves. But the good thing here, kahit na sabihin mong nag-cause sa'yo ng darkness yun, nandun pa rin yung realization. The truth is coming, my loves. And sabihin natin, this serves as your lesson. So dito, my loves, pwedeng yung person mo involved sa third party situation. Pero dito kasi sa forbidden love, pwedeng ikaw yung involved doon. Pwedeng ikaw yung naging third party. Kasi my loves, look at the forbidden love. Parang dito, pwede, my loves, na malinaw na meron isa sa inyo na involved sa third party, sa love affair. Pwedeng, my loves, ikaw yung naging third party. Kasi ano na hindi na pwede yung love connection na to. Forbidden love na siya. Pwede naman, my loves, na dahil sa clarity na yon, hindi na pwede ipagpatuloy yung love connection mo with this person. Okay? And if you are, sabihin nating single, pwedeng ganito, my loves. Mag-ingat ka dito dahil ito yung pwedeng future energy ng love connection na meron ka. Basta ito malinaw na malinaw, truth are coming your way for your awareness. You will going to find out something coming into light. Mula sa darkness na to, there are something coming into light na may kinalaman sa love affair. And that causes that for forbidden love. Maaaring ikaw yung naging third party na yon, kaya hindi na pwedeng ipilit pa kung ano ang meron sa relationship na to. Or maaaring dahil sa third party na yon, kaya hindi na pwedeng balikan pa itong forbidden love na to, my loves. Or itong connection na to. Malinaw, my loves, Ito, look the love affair, the dirty little secret down there coming into light. Napakaliwanag. Look at the clarity here, the awareness. You will going to find out something sa itinatago, my loves. Then, look at the final future energy, the final energy here, forbidden love, my loves, because of that realization. Pero right now, my loves, that causes you lots of emotional waves na parang talagang, look at the pattern, my loves. Pero, dito ka na lang mag-focus sa clarity na meron. Kung ano man yung pinapakita sa'yo ng person na to, pwedeng ito na yung sagot na hindi na talaga dapat. At kung ano man yung ipinapakita sa'yo na yan, binibigyan ka nito ng clarity and truth. Iyan na yan. papunta na yan, you will going to find out something. Or sabihin natin, hindi man ito, yung realization man lang, my loves, na hindi na pwedeng ipilit itong relationship na to. Pwedeng, my loves, eto ha, hindi mo kailangang, sabihin natin, makipag-compete. Hindi mo kailangan ng kaagaw dito sa person na to. But, ito ang big deal dito, yung secret niya, pwedeng may loves na sino ba talaga ang love niya. 'Di ba? Kasi yun yung realization dito na kailangan mo ma-find out. Hindi mo kailangang maramdaman na ikaw ay nakikipag-compete or may kaagaw. Hindi mo kailangan maramdaman yun, my loves. Pero dahil dito sa forbidden love, my loves, parang mas nasagot na kung iyon yung nararamdaman mo right now, hindi na kailangang ipagpatuloy ito. Kasi yun nga, nagmukha kang third party dito, look. Pwede ding ikaw nga yung nagmukhang love affair dito, my loves. Pero look, sa ngayon, heavy emotion ang idinudulot ng love connection na to. Pero wag kang mag-alala kasi yung realization, kailangan mo lang ng konting time para ma-realize, maging aware sa status mo sa connection na to. Let's see more clarifier about this. Abundance, nandyan ang keep a positive mindset. The separation, my loves, yun nga, para doon nga. Wow, stability. My loves, ito kung wala mang confirmation, yung hindi man pa dumadating, pero nararamdaman mo na involved na dito. Ito, malinaw na malinaw yung realization na to is into separation na talaga. So, kailangan mo nang i-accept to, my loves. And kailangan mo nang ibangon yung iyong isipan, baguhin ang iyong isipan about this. Kasi talagang masyado your emotions coming and going this time sa'yo. Pero, spirits are telling you na keep a positive mindset. You have to manifest exactly what you want. Kailangan mo ng bliss right now. Kailangan mo ng saya right now. So, ano yung mga nakakapagpasaya sa'yo bukod dito sa love connection na to? Kasi ito, malinaw na malinaw that this is separation. And, alam mo yung separation na to is not sure about the future. Hindi na nila alam kung ano pa ang meron. So, dun pa lang dapat ma-realize mo na, my loves, ano talaga ang plano para sa'yo. And this one, my loves, the palm tree, stability and security, I hear na merong nakaabang din, my loves, na stability, permanence. Okay. Permanence and growth. My loves, itong love connection na to, ang gustong iparealize sa'yo is kailangan mo dito ng endurance. Even, let's see message from this person. Kasi may lumitaw dito, my loves, na missing you. Let's see. Kumbaga, ano to, hinahadlangan ba kayo ng status, ng current status nyo? Kasi meron ditong sadness. Pwedeng ikaw, my loves, nararamdaman mo yun, namimiss mo yung person na to, but pwede din na they are thinking about you. I'm too afraid to talk to you right now. I'm too afraid to talk to you. I dream about you a lot, too much. So, this is message from your person na. So, kagaya nga ng channel natin dito, they are missing you, they are thinking of you right now. Pero, yun nga, yung separation na to, ito is sabihin natin pwedeng dahil kung ano yung current status. I am manifesting you. Pwede, my loves, na ikaw yung gusto ng person na to. Kung ikaw may yung naging third party, reach out. My loves, dito, ang kailangan mo dito, yung maging aware ka kung maging aware ka, my loves, kung ano yung status mo or your position in this love connection. Pwedeng may nararamdaman pa rin sa'yo yung taong to, pero ang tanong doon, kaya ka ba niyang i-manifest or kaya ba niyang panindigan yon? Kasi nandito, my loves, yung gusto din niya ng love connection. Pero, sabihin natin na gusto niya ng love connection, gusto niya yung love connection na to. Pero pwedeng yung status niya, yung katayuan niya sa buhay, or yung sabihin natin, kung ano meron siya right now, yun yung yung hindrances sa love connection na to. At pwede, my loves, na iyon yung naging dahilan kung bakit forbidden na yung love na to, my loves. Okay, let's see kung ano ang naghihintay sa connection na to since na this is forbidden. Okay, so ang kailangan mo ditong malaman kung may goal ba, kung may plano ba para sa'yo yung person na to. Kung wala siyang plano para sa'yo, you have to focus on your own stability. Ito, isang example lang, kung pakakasalan ka ng taong to, why not? Because of these team spirits, the interest dapat nandun, yun ang maipakita ng love connection na to. At yun ang dapat mong ma-realize, my loves, kung may plano ba siya sa'yo. Kasi you have to focus on your security and permanence with this palm tree. Okay? Kaya kahit mag-reach out siya na mag-reach out, kung wala naman siyang plano for your future, ibig sabihin, this love is forbidden talaga. Hindi pinahihintulutan ni spirits. Kung wala yung permanence doon. Kung wala kang marireceive na growth and stability in this love connection. Okay, let's pull our final card for spirits advice. Okay, secret admirer. Ayan, may something nga talaga, my loves. Merong nagmamahal pa rin. Pwedeng sabihin natin may minamahal itong taong to, or may nagmamahal sa'yo. Pwedeng ganon. Or may nagmamahal sa taong to. Someone has deeper feelings for you than they are letting on. Okay? Secret admirer. Parang naano tayo dito. Tingnan ko nga. Okay, let's pull another card. Tingnan natin. Secret admirer. Ano pa yung kumbaga destined for you? This love connection. Ayun, eto na, sabi ko na nga ba, may kailangan ka pang marinig. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Free yourself. Okay, kagaya ng unicorn na to, my loves, nakakulong siya. Pwedeng ikaw nakakulong ka sa love connection na to. But this one, kagaya ng mga narinig mo, this love is forbidden unless nabibigyan ka nito ng permanence. It's time to take back control of your life. Palayain mo ang sarili mo. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.